The swift and agile skimmer, a bird with wings of shimmer, lived in a world of endless hustle, a whirlwind ofimmer. In a bustling forest, by the river's edge, he'd take a stand. A solitary figure, his wisdom as grand. One day, a stranger arrived, with a question to ask. Seeking guidance, in life, to make a lasting impact. "Oh skimmer," he asked, "what is it that you know that allows you to fly through life's throes and ebb and flow?" Skimmer, with wisdom in his eyes, looked at him squarely. "It's not about speed, nor agility, dear stranger," he replied. "It's about knowing when to pause, when to rest and when to soar. And to learn and grow in every moment that much more." The stranger, with newfound understanding, took Skimmer's words to heart and spent his days exploring, learning, and imparting his own spark. His story spread, like ripples in the river, touching many a soul. A testament to Skimmer's wisdom, a lesson of worth to uphold. Yet, Skimmer continued his dance, with grace and with ease. A reminder to us all, to find balance and peace in the hustle and bustle, amidst the ebb and the flow. Remember Skimmer, and take time to let wisdom grow.